Is Christopher Hour of Notaris. I am examining the key fob for this battery pack to determine the cause of the issue. I pulled it open assuming that the issue is a battery. As you can see, when I push this button, there is a dim red light that lights up. It's to my understanding that when this button is pressed, you should actually be seeing something more like this. I've pulled the battery from another functioning unit. I would like to point out that the amperage of this battery that's in here, I'd like to point out that the amperage of this battery is 27. The voltage is 12 volts. It fits in here fairly snug. So I have pushed my finger onto the button to remove this battery. This other battery that I have, it appears to have been made by a different brand. However, the amperage on it says 27 amps. The voltage says 12 volts. So I have a positive mark on this side. So I'm going to install my battery. My battery is now installed. Upon clicking my button, there's no change. I'm going to hold everything down. The diode is not lighting up. I do not know if this is caused by the battery or if there's something else at play here. I'm going to remove the other battery and install the original battery the same way that I installed the battery for the new one. That battery has been installed and the red light is turning on. Further investigation is required. My second test for this, I've installed the battery from the other system onto another key fob to see if it would work. This key fob was made by the same manufacturer and pulled from another box. My assumption was correct that these key fobs are not universal. I am clicking the on-off button. You can see that there's obviously a light. The battery is on with a voltage of 13 volts. In theory, my LED should be turning on. It is not. I will now read the voltage off of my CMB. I have no voltage coming off. Further investigation is required.